This one for my mother.
For every silent tear,
every prayer nobody heard,
every night you stay strong
when the world gave you nothing back.
Mama,
Tina E, this is my heart talking.
before I ever saw the sunlight shine, you carried me through those long 9 months of time. Pain in your body, but love in your soul. You held my life when I was too small to know. You never turned away, never let me go. Even when the storms outside started to blow, every heartbeat I had was protected by you. Every breath I take now is because you came through.
Tina e lo utina, ele mawhai o na Galo. Lo alofa sa teita I pea pogi sa lo awala. Iwa masina sa e tau ave ai lo ola. E ui tiga mawhai gata, he te lei tua lava. Yeah, you were fighting battles I never could see. Still you smiled every time you looked at me. No money, no rest, but your love stayed rich. You built my whole life with your hands and you wish when nights got cold. You covered my skin when food was low. Used to let me win. You gave me the play while your stomach stayed empty. That kind of love, mama, still lives inside me.
Mama, you gave your life so I could breathe. Held my pain when I was weak. When I was lost, you stood beside me. Your love was all I'd ever need. Mama, no mountain ever stopped your heart. Even broken, you played your part. If heaven wrote love in words, it would sound like your name, my mother.
I remember cold nights, you stayed awake, carrying stress with a smile on your face. Never had much, but you gave me your best. Pain in your chest, but you hid all the rest. You prayed when the house felt heavy and low. Ask God to guide me wherever I go. You taught me respect, taught me how to stand, taught me to fight life, but still be a man. Tina pele, ele mawhai o na Galo. Holo alofa moni sa tau si alo ola. Na e puno ele igao, ina ia ola la utama ise lalo lagi fo. I know I never said thank you enough for every time and every time life got rough. For every scar you carried quietly, for every dream you gave up for me. You sacrificed sleep, sacrificed peace, still gave love when your heart had no ease. You were the shield when the rain came down, the only real queen who never dropped a crown. Mama, you were the light when I couldn't see, the safest place this world gave me. When I was broken, you still believed. Your love was the air underneath me. Mama, even when life tore you apart, you still gave me your whole heart. If heaven wrote love in words, it would sound like your name, my mother. Now I'm older, I understand more of the pain you carry behind closed doors. The bills, the tears, the silent nights, the way you kept walking through heavy fights. I wish I could go back and hold your hand, tell you your son now understands every hard day, every sacrifice, every prayer you whispered into the night. Mama, you the reason that I stand tall, even when the world turned dark, you wouldn't let me fall. Long 9 months, pain deep in your soul, still you carry me with love, trying to make me whole. Tina, saito ave lola.
Aia so faigatai te lei fiulava.
Saita talo moa ui popogisa.
Lua lofa moni le mawhai on a misa.
If I had gold, I'd lay it at your feet, but gold could never pay for love that deep. If I had time, I'd give it all to you,
just to thank you for everything you had to do.
Lo Tina, fa mole fa aleo gomai.
O pune e sa mai lo loto ila lo fa mole.
Le leo se pese fai go fie.
O lo agaga leo lo ta utala atu iate oe.
Sai, alai po umi, tatalo mo lau lumanai.
Le ai se mea sa fai go fie.
Ai sai e malo se pea I tai mi uma.
Na ele fia ai fafaga mua mo lau tama.
O lo loto sa ti gaina.
Aina tia you foliga malie.
Mama,
au pau sa si mai au iluga.
au sese.
Sai au mai male alofa.
Sai,
feta che si file mu pe au tiga.
ai te lei fiu lava.
Sai tu mau ilo laga.
Ele ai se isi
Si
te.
yo ilo lalo lagi.
O lo loto sa tu mama.
While we are so fai gata.
And if heaven asks me
What real love means,
I'll say my mother,
the queen behind my dreams.
Mama, I see you in every sunrise, and every tear that falls from my eyes, and every blessing that finds my way. I know your prayers still speak today. You gave me courage when I had none. You gave me shelter when storms would come. You gave me love without asking why, even when your own heart wanted to cry. I used to think strength was loud and proud, but you showed me strength can be quiet in a crowd. Strength is a mother who keeps moving on, even when every part of her feels gone. And now when life gets heavy on my soul, I hear your voice saying, son, don't let go. That voice still carries me through the pain, like sun. Mama, every scar you carry made me strong. Every prayer you prayed still carries on. When I was weak, you gave me fire. Your love kept lifting my spirit higher. Mama, even if time pulls us apart, you'll forever live inside my heart. If heaven wrote love in words, it would sound like your name, my mother. If I could sing one prayer to the sky, I'd tell heaven thank you for this angel in my life. For the woman who gave all she had, for the mother who loved through the good and bad. I knew flowers fade and pictures grow old, but your love stays warmer than gold. Your voice, your smile, your gentle ways still walk beside me through all my days. Wa matuala ula to iluwa lofa, and the ice easy at twilu no forget the tono olo fato. Afaya mafayo na uto to gilo ta usita. O te avatulo ola toma o hetina pele. I'm sorry for the times I didn't understand, for the days I walked away from your helping hand, for the words I should have said but kept inside, for the tears you wiped when I tried to hide. The tone is my thank you, this rap is my prayer. This heart is still yours, no matter what life takes me from here. So when the beat fades and the lights go low, let the world know a mother's love doesn't die. Stays in the breath, stays in the scope, stays in every breath. See the pain, my mama, my mama, my mama. If heaven wrote love in words, it would sound like your name, my mother.